So in case you're brand new to Lovely Loops, we are twin sisters and we've been studying and teaching calligraphy since 2015. We actually took our very first calligraphy class when we were just 11 years old, so a while ago, but we've always loved lettering and calligraphy and art, and we can tell that you do too. So since course is about style, we wanted to give you just a little bit of info on our own style journeys. So even though we're twins, we've actually developed our own unique styles. And so even though there's so much similar about our personalities, and maybe you think we look alike, we live near each other, but we still have distinct lettering personalities and styles. So there's so many opportunity to develop your style, and that's what we're excited to show you in this course. Yeah, so like Jillian said, we have developed our own unique styles, even though we are sisters. But the main thing that we have in common when it comes to lettering is that we are both very analytical and logical. And so the way that we teach this course is by breaking things down into logical step-by-step videos and worksheets that you can follow along with, and hopefully you can follow along with our mission to crack the code on lettering styles. So there's so many different ways that you can change up style just by looking at the basic elements. So a quick overview of the course before you jump in. We're going to start big, so we're going to start collecting all this inspiration, and we're going to give you some resources to discover new inspiration. And then the second step, we're going to start to kind of dig into all of that and start to explore and learn about the characteristics and components that make up style. So you may think right now like, oh, style is just how you write letters, or maybe it's the colors you use or the layout you use. We've actually come up with over 20 different individual components of style, and we're diving into each of those in the second part of the course. Yeah, so then we are going to go from this big collection, we're going to start exploring and then analyzing and narrowing things down and figuring out what really truly makes this style look unique, or what are the components of what makes this look different from this. And we're going to do some reverse engineering and really look at the details and figure out how to do the next step, which is implementing it. So do you want to talk about the implementing part? Yeah, so implementation phase is probably the most important part. It's how to make everything that you've learned throughout the course really actionable. So you're going to walk away from this phase with your own signature style guide, and so it's going to be an awesome reference for you once you finish this course and you're going out to create some pieces. It's something that summarizes everything that you learned in this really in-depth course onto 1 or 2 pages. So we're so excited about that part of the course. Yep, and in addition to that, you will also have a new level of confidence when you leave this course, and we will give you some resources to continue growing. So once again, thank you so much for being here. We are excited for you to get started with Style Study Bootcamp.